are you doing today? Thank you so much for joining in this relaxing meditation from Paint with Lovejoy. This meditation is to help you relax if you've got some anxiety before, during, or even after your painting process. Or if you have a section of your painting coming up and you need to work on your brush pressure and kind of smooth lines or really tiny lines, doing a little breathing and relaxing meditation before you have to do that will help calm you and help make those lines easier to create as you are calm. And like I said earlier, you are more than welcome to use this at any time. It doesn't even have to just be for painting. I am a big advocate of being mindful, focusing on your breathing, and really just trying to be in the moment. And especially if you're doing something creative, to enjoy that moment. Now I want you to take a moment to settle in. Make sure all distractions are turned off. Make sure your phone, the ringer, is turned off or in airplane mode. And I want you to begin to turn your gaze inward as you settle into a relaxing position. I want you to begin by taking a mental scan of your body. Is there a place that you're squeezing the muscles or clenching your fist or grinding your teeth? Are your shoulders tight? I want you to focus on the space and just try to relax a little bit more. On the next exhale, I want you to feel those areas that are tight. I want you to feel them soften and release. Each exhale, those areas of tension and squeezing will soften a bit more. With each exhale, your body relaxes. Now I want you to bring your awareness to your mind. Check in with it. How is it feeling? No need to pass judgment or do anything about it, but bring your awareness to your mind and check in with the thoughts running through your mind. No judgment, just watch them glide on by. No attachment, let them just be what they're going to be. Now I want you to shift your awareness to the breath, moving in and out of your nostrils. Feel the effortless tide of breath moving in and out with each inhale and each exhale. As you breathe, feel the wheels of your mind beginning to slow down. The spinning, the chatter in the mind, feel it become slower and quiet down with each breath in and each exhale out. Slowly but surely, slowing down and becoming quiet as you breathe. Now begin to count your breaths just like this. Inhale. 1. Exhale. 2. Inhale. 3. Exhale. 4. And so on. Each time, go nice and slow. Deep breaths into the belly. There is no wrong way to do it. Just breathe and count. Feel the stillness and the quiet begin to wash over you as you breathe. Inhale for 1. Exhale for 2. Inhale for 3. Exhale for 4. Keep If you get distracted or the mind wanders, that's okay. Just return back to 1 and continue to count. It's not a competition. Just be still, be right here with your breath and your mind, and count. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going. I want you to take one more breath here, and on your next breath, on your exhale, release whatever number you're on and just let the breath flow. Inhale and exhale. Watch as the mind becomes quiet and still, like the glittering flakes in a snow globe that gently drift towards the bottom of the globe one at a time. With each passing breath, the mind becomes more still, quiet, and all thoughts and chatter gently drift down to the bottom of the mind, leaving you open and clear. Feel the breath. Watch the mind clear and feel the sensation of complete clarity and stillness wash through you as you breathe. You to gently bring your awareness back to your body and back to the room. Keep breathing and exhale. Keep breathing. Gently return to here and now. As you bring your awareness back to your body and back to this present moment, I want you to feel your toes. Maybe wiggle them a little bit. Feel your hands and your legs. Feel your consciousness returning to your body and being aware of how relaxed relaxed and calm your mind is. Now you're ready to go about your day. Continue that painting. Continue something creative. Notice just the calmness of your mind. And as you get into whatever you do after this meditation, how do you feel as you go through your next activity? Thank you for joining in this meditation. I hope the rest of your day brings you smiles and creative excitement. Namaste.